So now let's see the fourth example. The contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Altogether 2,925 rupees were collected. How many had paid for the picnic? So for one person, how many rupees they are going to contribute? 65 rupees for each. Okay, means for one person they are taking 65 rupees. How many rupees they have collected? 2,925 rupees were collected. Now what is the question? How many had paid for the picnic? Means how many person had paid the amount for the picnic. All together collected amount they given, and for each person how much contribution they are taking they are given. Then but number of people we have to find. Number of people we have to find, as here many things are given. Okay, total collected amount are given, for each person how much rupees they are taking that also given, but we have to find the number of people, how many had paid for the picnic. So in this case we have to do the division. Okay, so let's see how to find the answer. So see how to solve this answer. See, the total money collected for the picnic is 2,925 rupees and contribution for each is what? 65 rupees, and number of people we have to find. Okay, so number of people we have to find, as we need here 65 table, that table I wrote here. So now let's start the division. First I am taking the 2 digit 29, but 29 is smaller than 65. Yes or no? Yes, 29 is smaller than 65. So for smaller number we have to divide by 0. So 29 minus 0 is what? 29. 29 minus 0 is 29. Now we have to take down the third digit 2. So here we get 292. Now we have to check in 65 table, is it 292 is there? Yes, it is it there? No. Then smaller than 292 is there? Yes, that you have to check. Is it smaller than 292 is there? Yes. 260 is there, which is smaller than 292. On which place it is? Fourth place. 260 is on which place? Fourth place. So we have to divide by 4. So minus 260. So now here 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we have to take the last digit 5. So here we get the 325. Now we have to check, is it 325 is there in 65 table or not? Check it everyone. Yes, it is there. On which place? Fifth place. So that is 65 5s are 325. So here I am doing the division, divide by 5. So minus 325. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So what the answer? 45. So how many people contribute that amount? 45 people were contributed for the picnic. Understood everyone? So 45 people paid for the picnic. Understood everyone this? Okay. Now let's see the next one. See the fifth one. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product 9,688? Means which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product 9,688. So in this case, as they ask the which number on being multiplied by 56, then we get the product 9,688. So in this case we have to do the divisions. So after answer, then I will explain you again one time. So let's see how to find that answer. So see the fifth one. Here dividend is 9,688. Divisor is 56. Okay, and we have to do the division. So first I am taking the 2 digit 96. Okay, 96. Yes. Now we have to check, is it in 56 table 96 is there? Yes, check everyone. Is it in 56 table 96 is there? No. Then less than 96, what it is? 56 only. Less than 96, what it is? 56 only. On which place? On first place. So 56 ones are 56. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now take down the 8. Take down the 8. 408. Now we get the number 408. Now we have to check, is it in 56 table 408 is there or not? Yes, is it 408 is there or not? If that number is not there, we have to check the smaller than 408. Yes, less than 408, which one is there? Yes, see, this 392 is there. Less than 408, 392. On which place? On 7th place. So we have to divide by 7. So that is 392. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. And here I am borrowing 1. So this 10 minus 9 is 1 and this 0. Okay. So now we have to take down the next number, that is 8. 168. Now we have to check, is it 168 is there or not? Yes. 160 is there in 56 table. Yes. On which place? 3rd place. So divide by 3. So 56 3s are 168. Now 168 minus 168 is what? 0. So what we get the answer? 173. So quotient is 173. In question what it is? Which number multiplied by 56 gives the product 9688? So what we get the answer? 173. You can check it. 173 multiplied by, so 173 multiplied by 56 gives the product 9688. So you also check it. You can do the multiplication of 173 into 56 and check, is it you get this number answer or not? Okay, everyone, you can cross check it. So you can understand the question what they ask. 173. So whatever may be the answer we get, no? If we are doing the 173 quotient and divisor, if we are multiplying, okay, then we get the dividend. We know that formula. Yes. So when we multiply the quotient into divisor, then we get the dividend. So that only they ask, which number multiplied by 56? Which number multiplied by 56? Then we get the product 9688. Understood everyone this answer? Okay. So here we complete the problem set 15. Okay, all these 5 examples have completed. So everyone write this in your CW properly, systematically, and again same example solve in your rough book one time for your practice. Then and then only it is easy for you. Division is easy for you when you are doing the practice, when you are solving the same examples again and again. Okay, understood everyone? So complete this problem set 15 in your CW properly. This is the homework for you. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.